Alright, today we are going to unbox a car roof assistance. This should help you get to your rooftop quite easily. Let's see. So it has some instruction here on how to do this. Put the black tape, do not jump on the product. Try to put your foot next to the hook. Right, so alright, don't put it too far out here. Put it closer here. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, really, it's pretty lightweight. It's not very heavy. I'm guessing is probably half a pound. And this latch right here, supposed to hook onto the latch in your car, and for you to stand up. Okay, that's kind of cool. And this right here, I believe is if in an emergency you can use it to break your window with this sharp thing. Alright, so I just cut off the piece of the tape. Put it back from here. Okay, this is the sticky side. And just put it like this. Oh, darn. Okay, don't be like me. I just did an estimate and cut the piece of it. As you can see, still a little piece left right there. So next time, just measure it and do a better job than I just did. Okay, let's try on the car, see how it works. Today I don't have my 4Runner with me. It's been taken out for some duty. So I'm going to use my Toyota Prius as a demonstration for this. Okay, make sure your car has a U shape before installing it. This is my first time trying it out, so hopefully I'm doing it right. I think so. First off, you just lift this up. Make sure you have this black tape installed before you try this, or else you might damage the paint job. Okay, very easy to go through the loop. Just hooked onto it. It's kind of cool. Woohoo! Very sturdy. Alright, so according to the instruction, I'm not supposed to step here, but step right here. Okay, wish me luck. I'm gonna try it out. Step on here and step on top. Ooh. Whoa! Woo. Awesome! Look at that. All right. Yeah. Cool. Oh, I can totally use this, not just for outdoor camping and stuff, but when washing my car, I can just step on this thing right here, get to the top, do a good ass clean job. Yeah, awesome. Alright, so if you want one, click the link right below, grab yours. Thank you for watching.